Hey, what's up guys? My name's Gordon Briley and I'm going to do a basic overview of PhenoX's single pulley rack system. So first thing you may notice is the color. We have some awesome color options. There's black, there's blue like you see here, there's gray, and there's white. So you have the ability to customize it to your liking within those four options. So one of the cool parts about our PhenoX racks are the adjustability. So you see this portion here, these rails are about 30 inches long. And you can raise and lower this determined by your height, your own personal height or your preference. So how far you want to be able to reach on certain exercises, you can just take these bolts and loosen them and adjust it to whatever custom height that you want. So we wanted a lot of customability and the ability to do a lot of different exercises with one single system that's really affordable. So being adjustable is one of those things that we're really proud of having on our rack system. So as you see it now, this rack system is actually a high pull system. So lat pull downs, tricep extensions, different things like that. Anything that you could do on a traditional machine with a high attachment, you're going to be able to do here. So depending on your handle, any of the movements that you would typically do, you can do on this machine. So now I want to go over some of the features that really set this machine apart. So here again we have the high pull attachment, but with PhenoX you're not going to find pretty much anything that we make that does one individual thing. What we want to add value is by having machines that serve multiple purposes. And anyone that goes to the gym knows that typically having a high pull and a low pull system, you're just going to have a lot more exercise options. So we wanted to think outside the box. Like, how are we going to build something that is really affordable, but also gives us a lot of dynamic features? So what we came up with is something very simple, very affordable. So we have an attachment. We're just going to simply take this end, attach it here, and then take the pulley. Down here is this rail that we have. It has an eye bolt attachment, so you can hook it up to it really quickly. There's eye bolts here with plastic knobs that make this piece be able to adjust anywhere throughout this throughout these uprights. So for now, I'm going to take this, connect it, connect the pulley to it. Now we're going to connect handles. So you can put your feet up just like a pulley, like a low pull. So that's how it features, functions in that way. Different handles again. Now if you want to do something like bicep curls, oh boy, that's too much weight. I ain't that strong. So bicep curls. Again, you can adjust this throughout any part of this upright through these holes. It's really quick, it's really simple, and that's kind of the beauty of it. So now I'm going to adjust to another exercise in real time so you guys can see how easy it actually is to move. And I want to also show that this rail system connects to this rail system down here, so anything down low you're able to do with this as well. So now we're going to take the pulley off, just let it hang. These are the parts. Very affordable, but work very well. Other side. I'm going to pull this out. We have a rail system with the eye bolt. And there is bolts down here. You're just going to set it down, take the knobs that you have, and we're going to secure it down here. Very quick, very simple. Okay, take the pulley. This will elevate. We still have plenty of range for most exercises. So now, let's say we want to do some rows, piece of cake. Something that I love. Ankle attachment. Strap it on. Connect two. So anything that you would do for legs, laterals, quickly into kickbacks. As you can see, it's really simple to switch up your exercises. It is a matter of just moving the rail, which shouldn't be a big deal. I mean, otherwise, if you have quick adjust systems, it adds huge expense to the system, and then it becomes not affordable. So here's another cool option that you can add. Instead of having just one pulley add-on, you can have two. So now you can do, with the one single pulley above, now we can do movements that are both sides at the same time. Literally, the options are endless. Now we can address what you guys all been wondering, and that's probably, how strong is this? Well, that's not going to be a problem whatsoever. We tested it to 250 pounds. That's where the limit is, but 250 pounds doesn't sound like a lot, but with this specific system, I don't even think most people, 99% of people aren't even going to be able to do 250 pounds. So I have 90 pounds on this side, now 90 pounds on this side for a low row. And that is no problem whatsoever. So for most people, this is going to be a non-issue. It's going to be plenty strong for anything that, like I said, 99% of people are going to want to do. You may notice some flex in this. This is actually designed that way. So we wanted to find the perfect diameter with the perfect amount of strength. And this is what we came up with, this rod system. So it allows it to flex, but it will never bend or break. So if you notice that, that's something that's completely normal. So plenty of strength for pretty much any exercise that you can think of. And again, you're really just limited by your imagination. There's just so much that you can do with this system. So hopefully after this demonstration, you guys are super excited about having such a cool piece of equipment in your home gym.